Hi there, this is Darren O'Neill from Darren's Tech Tutorials on darreno'neill.eu. In this short video, I'm going to show you my top 5 MySQL and MariaDB commands. So as sysadmins, a lot of the time we need to have a superficial knowledge of an awful lot of systems. So in this video, I'm going to show you my top 5 commands for MySQL. So pretty much if you're working on MySQL day to day, how you have enough information to do the role that you're asked. So as we can see here, I'm logged into my MariaDB instance, and we're going to just get started here. So my first command is going to show you how to create a database. So you've been asked to create a database for a particular system. So in this case, let's say it's WordPress. So I'm going to say create database, and we'll say it's going to be IT WordPress. Then we press the semicolon. Cool, and we can see we've now created that. So let's say we want to actually look and see what databases we have on our system. So I'm going to take show, I'm going to say databases. Okay, so we can see we have IT WordPress, we have Moodle, and we have tests. We have a couple of systems here, and we're now getting a little bit more information. So what if someone came to us and said they want to know what tables are in the Moodle database? So we now need to actually use the Moodle database. So how do we do that? And that's really easy. It's use Moodle, and again, just a semicolon at the end. And let me just correct this typo here. Okay, and we can see we're now using Moodle, and we can see our prompt has changed. So what if I then wanted to have a look at the tables that are in this particular database? And again, it's really easy. We say show tables and semicolon again. Okay, so we can now see there's loads of tables within Moodle. And what if someone asks us, I want you to tell me a little bit of information around one of these tables. Say it was this MDL course table they wanted to know a bit more information on. And again, it's all quite simple syntax. So what we're going to type in, we're going to type select all. So within MySQL MariaDB, the star represents all. And then we're going to say from, let's say MDL underscore course. And again, it's a semicolon. Again, it doesn't give us back to clean us, and there's other commands to clean this up, which I will do later. But quite quickly, we can begin to get some information if needed. So we see test course. And again, it's all about just getting a little bit more information as we progress. So that's 5 commands. And just in terms of a bonus one, what you'll see an awful lot is if you're trying to set up WordPress, let's show our databases again. And let's say we've set up this WordPress and we've been asked to provision a user that can use WordPress. And you'll see this a lot when you're stepping through LAMP stacks. So let's say we're going to use WordPress and we want to grant a user. So let me just copy and paste this in because it's a bit longer. And again, I'll leave all these where you can just print them out, or if you want to have them handy on your machine. So it's grant all on WordPress to WordPress user at localhost identified by wordpresspass. And return, and it's done. So when you're stepping through your WordPress GUI, you put in WordPress user and you put in WordPress pass for a password. So that is my 5 top MySQL commands. Really handy, will get you an awful lot of what you need to do if you happen to have a role where you're administering some MySQL MariaDB databases. I do hope that was helpful. If it was, please do like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching.